What's up everyone? Viet Packy here. Welcome back to Vietnam. What's up everyone? This is Viet Packy. It is July 24th, 1:50 p.m. We are here in Dak Nam. It is about 20 kilometers away from Buon Ma Thuot, Vietnam. Buon Ma Thuot is known for having a lot of really beautiful waterfalls. We are now at a cafe nearby the wedding that we went to the other day. Today's going to be part 2 of the wedding. Yesterday was part 1. Part 1 was the wedding at the bride's side, and then today is going to be at the groom's side. I want to just quickly show you this amazing aura to this cafe. All right, take a look. Look at this area. So peaceful. Look at the old-fashioned bicycles here. Right now we're by a lake. I don't know the name of this lake, but we're currently at this cafe called Coffee Tuoi Da. I don't know the meaning. Tuoi Da. Da could mean many things. It could mean like kick. It could mean ice. Tuoi. I'm not sure if I'm reading it right. Means old. So maybe ice old. If you know, please let me know in the comments section below. Look at this coffee shop. A lot of places where you can use a hammock to lie down. Here's where we are. There is a bottom floor where Susie is right now, and then there's also a top floor. I'll show you both. This is straight up village area of Dak Nam. Okay, so here we go upstairs now. Look at this amazing view, everybody. We actually came to this coffee shop yesterday and sat here, overlooking the lake. Okay, now we're gonna go downstairs and check out where Susie's sitting. I think my coffee's ready by now too. And here's my iced coffee. Em mới làm. Oh, hey. There's butterflies there. Butterflies enjoying the view too. Damn. Oh wow. Oh, so we're gonna hang out here for a bit. I'm gonna take some quick, maybe later on take some drone shots for you as well so you can see the whole area of the lake. In case you're wondering, here's the menu. Coffee spelled wrong. It's okay. Nước ép. Right? Fruit juice. Tea. Different types of tea. Different types of milk tea. Yogurt. Sinto. Sinto is smoothie. More tea. And then different types of pop, Coca-Cola, Pepsi. That's it. Dak Nam and Bunmatut are known for their specialty in coffee, so when you come down, you must try their coffee at any of the cafes. And by the way, we just finished paying for the bill. I hope you really enjoyed that drone shot. Sadly, I don't have the plug with me, so I couldn't charge the battery. It's just whatever was left in my battery from the last time I charged it. Luckily, I still had some battery life left, but I had left the adapter charger back in Susie's hometown, so kind of ran out of battery on the flying time there, but I'm glad I got to get at least a little bit to show you what the scenery here looks like. We're about to leave, and in case you're wondering, the 2 glasses of coffee, iced coffee, were 24,000 total. Now that is super cheap because that's roughly $1.20, $1.20 Canadian. Back in Ho Chi Minh City, a glass would be roughly $2 each, but here it's $1.20 for 2 glasses. Alright, so I hope that you enjoy this video. This is by far the coolest coffee shop that we've been to here. Here in Dak Nam of the Dak Lak province. I hope that all of you have an amazing week ahead, and please stay tuned for more videos on the way. By the way, we're just walking back to the hotel. We're not done the video yet, but I wanted to show you what it looks like on the way back to our hotel from that coffee shop. This is the road that we're walking along. You'll see many Vietnamese, but they're called Người Yang Top. They call it like a hello, indigenous children, indigenous families. Hello, wow. Hey, where? Không biết hai hả? Em nói hai rõ lắm.
Đúng rồi, đường này đúng rồi.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Wow. You can hear many of the local Vietnamese here saying hello, and all of the children that were saying hello were the indigenous children living here. The homes for the indigenous people are a little bit different than the regular Vietnamese in Vietnam, and you'll see why when you see the homes. The homes are really different. See, they're very different. They're more older looking because they've been around for a long time. So you notice the homes are much different than the usual Vietnamese homes. For example, this one. Đây là nhà của người dân tộc. See, thấy kiểu không?
Dạ đúng rồi.
See the difference? Very, very unique. And a regular Vietnamese home would be like this, maybe. This one over here would be more of a regular home. Yeah, mình đi đường.
Đi từ
Đúng
đây
rồi.
ra, Tuấn qua nè.
Yeah, đúng rồi.
Trời ơi, lội nước luôn.
Here's a true Vietnamese experience here in the Dak Nam. So from the coffee shop to our hotel is not that far because as you can see on the right hand side here, this is where the groom's family held their dinner last night. Mình quay lại, mình đi khách sạn mình quay lại. Viet Packy, peace out.